How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get long fingers step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So get long fingers. First exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do this. It's kind of like circling your fingers. So you're just kind of going like this. 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Let's get 15 reps. 14, 15. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we are then going to get our fingers, and what we're going to do is we're going to lift up like this. So every single individual finger, we're just lifting up just like this. Just lifting up. And we're going to do this one more time. So again, just getting the finger and lifting up just like this. This is a great exercise to help elongate the fingers. Perfect. Okay, next one that we're going to do is we're going to get the finger and we're going to give it a slight pull. No pain. There should be zero pain when you are doing this. If you feel pain, then you are pulling too hard. Again, all you need is a slight little pull. And again, that's all I'm doing. I'm just giving it a little pull. This is perfect. So we'll do it one more time. So I like to do about 3 sets when I do this exercise. I just feel that really, really good exercise. So we're going to take a quick little break. Next exercise that we're going to do is it's going to be a pulling exercise. So we're going to get our fingers and we're just going to pull back on them. So they're like this. We're just going to pull back. We're going to hold this for about 10 seconds. So again, that's all I'm doing. I'm just slightly pulling back on them. Perfect. We are going to do the other side. So we're going to get our hands and then we're just going to pull back just like this. And we're going to hold for 10 seconds. Keep going back. Keep going. Pull back. Perfect. Quick little break. So we're going to go back to this exercise. I love this exercise. 2, 5, 8, 9, 15 reps. Perfect. Okay, we are going to end with the typing stretch, which just moving your fingers back and forth. This really helps to get the blood flowing. This can definitely help to get them longer. So just keep going like this. Just keep going over and over. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.